Hey guys, I'm Rachel and today we're talking about bulk shopping for the holidays. Bulk shopping is a great way to save you money and make life easier. I remember when I was a kid, my parents would always stock up for certain gift items for family, friends, for people who just stop by for hostess gifts, for teachers, or for stocking stuffers. So here are some bulk shopping tips and ideas to help make that hustle and bustle of the holiday times a little less chaotic and crazy. Go check out your local bulk food store. They have so many gift ideas there, and one of my favorites is gifting cake mix or cookie mix. Decorate them in little mason jars with different toppings like chocolate chips, nuts, marshmallows. You can do the same thing with coffee beans or ground coffee and hot chocolate mix as well. I love these kinds of gifts because it's something that they can use during the holidays, as well as something that they can do as a family, and it's something that they can really enjoy. I love stocking up on chocolates and cookies because you know you're always going to need a few extra presents under the tree for people who come by unexpectedly, or maybe you're dropping something off unexpectedly and maybe it's somebody you even forgot on your shopping list. But having chocolates or boxes of cookies on hand make the best last minute present, as well as who doesn't love chocolate and who doesn't love cookies, and you can always find a good deal, especially if you can find them in bulk. I don't know about you, but I love getting socks for Christmas. Something about getting socks gives me that warm, cozy winter vibe, and I love stocking up on socks for gifts, whether you give them as a pack or break them up and give them as stocking stuffers. There's always good deals around, especially if you can find those like 10 for 30 bucks deals, and you can always get cute designs, and men, women, children, everyone needs socks. And of course, wine and alcohol is another great item you can buy in bulk. Check your local wine store to see if you can get a deal buying by the crate, or just keep an eye out for any of those special bottles that go on sale. Other things you can add to the list are things like mugs, candles, hand soaps, hand lotions, mittens. Let me know in the comments below what I missed or what you guys like to buy in bulk for the holidays. And thank you guys so much for watching. Happy holidays!